Today I'm going to show you how to multiply a one-digit number times a three-digit number using area model and partial product method. First, let's start off with area model. We have 625 times 4. We have, if you notice, 3 boxes this time when we do area model. That is because we have a 3-digit number, so we need a spot for each of those digits. When we take that and put it in expanded form, 625 is 600 plus 20 plus 5, and then our 4 goes on the side. We know with area model we multiply length times width, so we are going to take our numbers down, and we're going to take our 4 over into every single box. Then we know our operation that we're ultimately doing is multiplying. I know 6 times 4 is 24, but I need to add on 2 more zeros, giving me 2,400. I know 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 more 0 gives me 80. I know 5 times 4 is 20. Next, we're going to take these numbers and we're going to stack them up on the side because we only have part of the answer right now. We have to find the whole answer. And we find that by addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. So I'll have to carry our 1 and bring it down the 0. 4 plus 1 is 5, and then our 2, giving us an answer of 2,500. Now let's try that exact same problem, but let's try doing it with partial product. So we know with partial product it is very similar to area model, we just don't draw the box. We're going to stack the numbers up instead. So we're going to take 625 and break it apart into its expanded form, which is 600 plus 20 plus 5. And we're going to put our 4 down below that 5 because that is our ones place. And we know we're going to multiply these. Let's start off in our ones place. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8. Add on a 0, giving you 80. Make sure your place values are lined up and that you write big enough that you can read your own work. Then last we'll go 4 times 6 and then add on 2 zeros, giving us 2,400 when we add those together because we know partial product, we only know part of the answer. So we are going to add those together to get 2,500.